Fort Pierce, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha, 3 mile initial.
7 Golf Alpha, roger, break over the numbers, right brake, runway 10 right.
Right brake, 10 right, request smoke.
Smoke and the brakes approved. 7 Golf Alpha, altitude, your discretion, out traffic, about a mile final to Cherokee.
Total 466 traffic, 6 o'clock a mile overtaking, indicating 4,505 over.
Yeah, 466, yeah, we see him on our ADSB.
He's on factor.
Do you know the type of that aircraft?
Total 466, he's moving fast, he's 235.
So I've been wanting to fly to Fort Pierce. They have some neat looking airplanes along the taxiways. The weather hasn't been so good lately, but tonight we've really got a nice evening. So let's go for a flight to Fort Pierce.
Creek traffic, White Lancair, taking 6. Alright, let's hit this. Creek traffic, White Lancair, just departed 6. Joining the left downwind and southbound, crossing midfield. Creek traffic. Creek traffic, White Lancair, crossing midfield, southbound. Creek traffic.
November 87 Golf Alpha, contact Palm Beach, 123.62. Good day.
We'll contact Palm Beach at 123.6287 Golf Alpha. Palm Beach, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha, level 3,500. Palm Beach, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha. I'm not reading you, we'll be switching back to Orlando. Orlando, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha.
87 Golf Alpha, go.
Yeah, I could not read Palm Beach on 123.625.
Okay, it should be 123.62. That's what I got. So let's do it again. 123.62. And before you go, there's traffic 12 o'clock and 3 miles off direction, 4,600 feet indicated.
Roger that. Looking for the traffic. 87 Golf Alpha will go to 123.625. Westbound, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha with you, level 3,500.
November 87 Golf Alpha, Palm Beach approach, Bureau B altimeter 299.3, how do you hear?
299.3, hear you 555.
Yeah, I don't know what was going on before. I was hearing everything you're saying, but for some reason you weren't hearing all of us talking.
Roger that, hear you now, loud and clear.
Thank you.
Yeah, Palm Beach, right here, Romeo. Did you get free exchange approval?
8-2 Romeo, up to you. If you want to go on your own, that's fine. Radar service terminated. You are stalking VFR, so frequency change approved. Have a good one.
Thanks. Palm Beach, Lancair, 87 Golf Alpha, have a request.
Alright, 7 Golf Alpha, go ahead.
I'd like to start a descent. We'll stay out of Vero Beach.
87 Golf Alpha, approved as requested. Radar service terminating. Keep your squawk code. Contact Fort Pierce Tower now, 128.2. So long.
Squawk code and go to tower at 128.287 Golf Alpha. And let's go to 128.2.
9 mile southeast of KFPR. Request full stop, we have Zulu. I will request full stop, thank you, bye. Sorry.
Okay, QCD2, make right traffic, runway, correct, enter right down, runway 10 right.
Fort Pierce traffic, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha, 7 miles to your northwest, inbound for landing with Zulu.
Lancair 87 Golf Alpha, Fort Pierce, make straight runway 10 right and reduce contour speed.
We'll reduce speed, make traffic for 10 right. Request overhead arrival with a 2 mile initial.
7 Golf Alpha, roger, maintain out above 1,500 and report initial.
We'll maintain at or above 1,500 and we'll report initial. 7 Golf Alpha. Fort Pierce, Lancair, November 87 Golf Alpha, 3 mile initial.
7 Golf Alpha, roger, break over the numbers, right brake, runway 10 right.
Right brake, 10 right. Request smoke.
Smoke and the brakes approved. 7 Golf Alpha, altitude, your discretion, out traffic, about a mile final to Cherokee. 7 Golf Alpha, safe parking.
Going to the self-serve pumps, 87 Golf Alpha.
November 7 Golf Alpha, roger. Continue to taxi Bravo, no delay to Bravo, enter minus frequency.
We'll taxi continue to Bravo and remain this frequency, 87 Golf Alpha.
7 Golf Alpha, and taxi via Bravo Echo, hold short runway 14 this frequency.
Taxi Bravo Echo and hold short of 14 on this frequency, 87 Golf Alpha.